Experiencing issues with your EETV mini box remote? Remote connectivity problems are among the most common issues reported by EETV users. Let's walk through the primary troubleshooting steps to get your remote working again. First, let's check the batteries. This is the most common cause of remote issues and the easiest to fix. There are several signs that indicate battery problems: intermittent response to button presses, reduced range of less than 3 meters, the LED indicator not lighting up, or complete unresponsiveness. Now, let's look at the battery replacement process. You'll need high-quality AA alkaline batteries for optimal performance. To replace the batteries, ensure correct polarity alignment, positive to positive, negative to negative. Clean the battery contacts with a dry cloth to remove any corrosion. With normal usage, battery life is typically 6 to 12 months. If battery replacement doesn't solve the problem, we need to try reconnecting the remote to your EETV mini box. Step 2 is the standard reconnection process. This reestablishes the Bluetooth connection between your remote and the set-top box. Here's the standard reconnection method. First, remove the batteries for 30 seconds. Then press and hold the home and back buttons simultaneously. For persistent issues, there's an advanced reconnection method. Navigate to Settings, then Remote Control on your EETV interface and select Add New Remote. These troubleshooting steps resolve the majority of EETV remote issues. Battery replacement and reconnection solve approximately 78% of all remote connectivity problems. When basic troubleshooting fails, advanced reset procedures can restore your EETV remote functionality. The soft reset is your first advanced option. Hold the power and home buttons simultaneously for 10 seconds. Watch for the LED indicator to cycle through different colors, which confirms the reset is working. If the soft reset doesn't resolve the issue, a factory reset provides a more comprehensive solution by completely clearing the remote's memory. The factory reset requires removing the batteries and holding all 4 colored buttons simultaneously. This completely resets the remote to its original state. Hold the red, green, yellow, and blue colored buttons together. Insert the batteries while continuing to hold these buttons for 15 seconds until the LED flashes white. Environmental factors significantly impact remote performance. Understanding these factors helps prevent future connectivity issues. Keep your set-top box within 5 meters of the remote with a clear line of sight. Interference from Wi-Fi routers, baby monitors, and microwave ovens can disrupt the Bluetooth signal. Common interference sources include wireless routers operating on the same frequency, household appliances, and other Bluetooth devices. Extreme temperatures can also affect battery performance. Regular preventive maintenance ensures optimal remote performance and extends its lifespan. Following a simple maintenance schedule prevents most common issues. Perform monthly battery checks to test remote responsiveness. Clean the remote sensors and set-top box quarterly to remove dust buildup that can interfere with signals. Ensure your set-top box runs the latest software version 4.2.1 or higher for optimal compatibility. Enable automatic software updates to maintain the best performance and prevent connectivity issues. Following these advanced troubleshooting steps and maintenance practices will keep your EETV remote functioning reliably for years to come.